We'll guide you through how to transfer your Wix domain effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix account and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Domains section from your account dashboard. You should see a list of the domains you own. Select the domain you want to transfer by clicking on it. Next, you'll need to unlock your domain. Look for an option or button that says Unlock Domain and click it. This step is crucial because domains need to be unlocked before they can be transferred. After unlocking, you will receive an authorization code, also known as an EPP code. This code is important for transferring your domain. Make sure to copy it or keep it somewhere safe. Now that your domain is unlocked and you have your authorization code, you need to go to the registrar where you wish to transfer your domain. Log into your account on that registrar's website and look for the option to transfer a domain. Enter your domain name and the authorization code when prompted. Follow any on-screen instructions, which usually involve confirming the transfer request. You may also receive an email from Wix or your new registrar asking you to confirm the transfer. Be sure to check your inbox and follow the instructions provided in the email to approve the transfer. The transfer process can take a few days, so be patient. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions. And that's it. With these steps, you can successfully transfer your Wix domain to a new registrar. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.